right here is the OGERY camping fan, and the model is the F11. It's a multi-angle rotational speed, so it can turn, you know, left and right pretty easy. Adjustable wind speed, battery display, 3 level of lighting on this. This was the box I got it in. It had a little set of instructions with it, but it's pretty easy to follow. It's got a USB-C to USB-C, and it actually has a remote to it. Here's the fan itself. Let's just go over it here. To turn it on, I love that it has the dial. Max speed on that, and if you want to do quiet, that's nighttime speed. I don't know, it just kind of quietens it down a little bit. Now this right here is the light. You guys see that? So there's the different light modes right there, and it is a very bright light. It surrounds all the way around. This thing can go 120 degrees like that. It can rotate all the way around like that. It has a handle on top, very solid base on the bottom right there. The remote, oh, this right here is the oscillation right here. Hit that once, you see 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90, and 120. So there's 120. Timer will go anywhere from 1, 2, 4, and 8. Those are hours, by the way. So we are on max speed right now. It does have a USB in and out on the back. On the back, it's got a USB-C that comes out. We'll test that out with my cell phone. There's an out, USB-A out right there. Let's see how great is that? And if we're camping or something, we need to charge our phones. Plug it in, bam, it just started charging. By the way, it looks like I need a charge. We might just leave this on charge and let it charge while I do this video here. Let's go ahead, let's test out this remote. So if I want to turn it off, that's all off right there. Yeah, it went back to center. Turn it back on. It starts on it remembered my last one. Nice. All the way down on low, all the way on high. Let's turn the light out and see what this light looks like. It's not super dark in here, but it is dark enough to show you guys what this light looks like. Bam. Just like that. Look at this side over there. I really like these LEDs. That looks awesome. But the best thing is for when you're camping, you can hang it up just like that. Obviously, you don't need the oscillation if you've got it hanging like that. You can hang it up and just let it go. And then on the bottom, you have this hook right here that rotates around. So that's a nice feature to have. And then you could put the oscillation there and just let it rotate, you know, all the way around. So it can sit here on the top of your tent and keep you cool at night with that little hook. So that's a nice feature right there. I think it'll be a great option for anyone that's just looking for something for camping, working outside, working at your desk, or just kind of like a fan for all occasion. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the OGERY, you know, camping fan. See you all in the next video.